like and share. Now let's continue with the presentation. So over here, the knowledge of this liquidity sweep is what actually I used in taking this trade, and I'm going to explain everything to you. I'm going to explain what actually influenced the decision of taking this trade. I will explain everything to you, so you get to understand why I said knowledge about this market is more important than the money that you deposit in your account to trade. I will explain everything to you. Now, I repeat, on the forex market, price move for two reasons. This market makers move price for two reasons. Price move, one, to sweep liquidity. So price moving to sweep liquidity is what I'm explaining to you at this very moment. So after price sweeping liquidity here, it reversed. Price move. So areas, key zones on the market at which price reverses at any given point in time is an important zone which is of great interest to these market makers, because they know traders, especially retail traders, have their stop losses or orders there. So these market makers always do their best to push price to those zones to trigger all those orders or all those stops, so that they can capture the liquidity at that zone. Then they will use that liquidity. So if you hear me say, if you're a newbie and you hear me saying liquidity, if I say liquidity, we are talking about the money in the market. Liquidity has to do with what? Money in the market. So as you place a stop loss of what? 50 USD. A trader who joined the bullish move that went up with a stop loss of what? 50 USD is lying at this zone. A trader who joined the bullish move that went up with a stop loss of what? 1000 USD is residing here. A trader who joined this bullish move that went up with a stop loss of what? 10,000 USD is residing at this zone. A trader who also joined the bullish move that went up with a stop loss of what? 1 million USD is residing at this zone. Another trader who joined this bullish move that went up with a stop loss of what? 1 or 2 million USD or 1 billion USD is also residing at this zone. So market makers, after sweeping liquidity, then reverse price up to this zone. All the stop loss that we have down here has been triggered. In a situation where a trader took profit or take close trade after maybe reaching this zone, it means that that profit gained is secured in the account. That trader has closed trade, he or she has secured that profit gain on the market. Another trader also taking profit at this zone also secured profit. A trader who was not content with profit gain and hoping that market will continue buying to the roof. Market will continue buying to the roof, then that expectation failed. Then market reversing, a stop loss of maybe 1,000 USD, 500 USD, 300 USD, 1 million USD, 10,000 USD, or maybe 100,000 USD placed here. Price movement reversing back to their entry price, then pushing further down to where they've placed their stop loss, they've also been taken out of the market. So if you hear me talking about liquidity, we are talking about money. So you can't joke with the knowledge of the market. You can't joke with the knowledge of the market. And now look at it. Look at this bullish run. This is a trade that I took, and it went beyond this swing high. Figure out to capture the liquidity we have at this low. After capturing the liquidity at this zone, then they started buying the market, of which price went beyond this swing high. So you having the knowledge of the market will help you to know when you are supposed to enter the market and when you are supposed to exit the market. Yes. The knowledge of the market will help you, the trader, to know when am I supposed to push a button for a buy. So on the market, we don't just push a button for a buy. There must be a reason why you are pushing a button for a buy. And there must be a reason why you are pushing a button for a sell.